Hey guys, I'm Natalie, and every week you see me unbox some pretty cool stuff.
Wow.
These great boxes have been full of a variety of treasures, but you know what? I think it's time I stop having all the fun. So what would you say if I told you you could unbox a gray box of your very own? The gem team at JTV gathered up and sorted through an incredible collection of gemstones. Then George, one of our senior buyers, and I handpicked some of the best to create parcels just for you. No two parcels are alike, but each one contains 15 different types of gemstones that weigh an amazing 500 total carats. They're all cabochons you can use to make jewelry if you want, or just enjoy them. We've got a limited amount we're selling for only $30. All right, so here's the fun part. I want to see your reaction since you always get to see mine. So take a video of yourself unboxing your very own great box and hit us up on Instagram with the hashtag JTVGems. Maybe you'll be lucky enough to see your video on a future episode of Unboxing. Click on the link below to order your surprise unboxing parcel today. You won't regret it.